Hey guys, today we will be harvesting some broccoli and I will also be telling you guys all you need to know before growing broccoli. So let's get started. And make sure to harvest your broccoli whenever it is loose, and do not harvest it when it's tight, because when it's tight it has a few days to grow, but when it's loose it will go to flowering after a few days. So make sure to harvest it whenever it's loose. And I never thought I would grow this much broccoli, because the porcupine attacked my broccolis and she ate many of my broccoli, so I didn't think I would grow that many broccoli. And now I'll be telling you how you can grow your broccoli fast. So this is a broccoli which I planted and didn't remove the weeds and didn't put soil around it time to time. And this is what it looked like. And this is the one which I took proper care of and put the soil around it, removed the weeds time to time, and this is what it looks like. Just look at the stem and look at the broccoli inside this. And this is the broccoli which I did not take as well care of, didn't remove the weeds around it, and did not put soil around it. And it's so small, just look at the huge difference. But if you do not want to harvest your broccoli but you want seeds of broccoli, then don't harvest your broccoli at all. And when it starts getting loose and then it goes to flowering, then it will start producing seeds. Just look how huge this broccoli is. And I also gave my broccoli plants a secret fertilizer which I will be revealing to you guys in an upcoming video. And these two broccoli harvests are my biggest broccoli harvests yet. And did you know when you harvest your broccoli, it will regrow again. And when it regrows, you can harvest it again. So now I will be telling you guys some benefits of broccolis. So broccolis are packed with vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. Broccolis contain potent antioxidants that offer health-protected effects. And the bioactive compounds may contribute to reduced inflammation, and they may protect against certain types of cancer. Antioxidants and fiber may aid in blood sugar control, and they may support heart health in a variety of ways. And these are two of my biggest broccoli harvests yet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Bye and take care.